Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginamit ang aking Gcash MasterCard sa pagbabayad sa grocery. And shoutout nga pala tayo kay Dumdum for requesting this video tutorial. Alright, so let's go! Grocery na tayo! So I informed the cashier na i-combine payment ko na lang. 1,200 from my Gcash MasterCard and then the rest i-cash ko na lang. So you have an option guys. Maaari mo tong bayaran ng buo gamit ang iyong Gcash MasterCard or i-combine payment mo na lang. It's just so happen na sa akin 1,500 lang ang laman ng Gcash MasterCard ko. Kaya kinumbine payment ko na lang.
Ma'am, current or savings?
Savings.
Please enter your PIN code.
Kung tama ang na-enter, pindutin ang color green. At huwag kalimutang kunin ang iyong resibo. So, ang remaining na 1,453 and 51 cents, binayaran ko na lang siya ng cash. Thank you for watching guys. For any comment or suggestion, please do let me know on the comment section below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification icon to get you updated on my next video. See you next week!